Hello friends, myself is Narendra Kumar.
Myself, Satvik Dora.
Good afternoon. Myself, Drona Kondru. I'm from Telangana, Bhadrachalam.
Hi, myself Laukya, and I am from Asian Medical Institute. I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Hi, myself Nagamallishwari. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Hello, my name is Vade Manisharan. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Hi, my name is Shrikant. I am from India, West Goa district, Tanugu.
Hi, I'm Saskiran Sai.
Hi, I'm Raidu Jyoti Swarup. I took admission from the college Glue.
Hi friends, I am Katwat Prakash from Hyderabad.
My name is Dharawat Vijay Kumar. I am from Telangana state.
Hi, myself I am Yuvraj from Hyderabad, Telangana.
Hello guys, this is Sai Chan from Anantapur.
College Crew is very helpful to my career by helping my career by building my life.
I am very happy to say that College Glue have gave me the guidance, like from the e-app and materials, so that I could get a better doctor and can crack the MCI exam. So that I wish I could support somebody like this, so that they also can get a better education from the College Glue. And thanks for College Glue.
I am taking admission from my college Glue. It's a very transparent and I am very satisfied through this consultancy.
I have taken my admission through College Glue. I am very happy.
And they provided many documentations by in the time of admission, and they took my admission, and they provided many books like anatomy, microbiology, and biochemistry. And I am now building my career in a great path by the College Glue.
Because of this, College Group will give more provide to suggest in our life to success.
So because Asian Medical Institute is a very good institute, because I could not get a seat in India.
Because in India we have lack of less seats in government, and in private college there is most of cost, and we came from middle class family and we can't afford that. So I decided to study in Kyrgyzstan. It has good education that in that in we have a good faculty and we have a better quality than this. And we have there is a book that is Grace PDC. There is an app that is Grace PDC. In that we have a anatomy and microbiology simplified and biochemistry. In that we can study and crack the NEET next in an inside exam also. I came through this by my brother. He's just when he's studying in fifth year. He studies well, so that's why I followed him. And there is a sir that is Mr. Robbins. He is a doctor and he teaches anatomy, and he guides me very much. And he also motivates me every time. Weekly he called me and I motivated by himself. So I decided to study in Kyrgyzstan, and it has the best faculty and it has a seniors which help us to difficulties in studies and all.
As I got a very low marks in NEET, I couldn't score the highest marks as due to the lockdown and the COVID effect. There was a lot of low resources at my home.
I'm very happy to join in this college because of my seniors. They have guided me in many ways, and they said about their lectures and all the faculties in the college, and I was very happy to join there.
My senior was studying at Asian Medical Institute. He's joined from College Glue.
And it was helpful for the taking of admission.
कॉलेज क्लू हमको बहुत सारा ऐप में भी हेल्प करता है. वो हमको ऐप्स में डाउट सेशंस मिलता है और क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस भी मिलते हैं और वगैरह ग्रैंड टेस्ट भी होते हैं. इसमें से हमारे नॉलेज इम्प्रूव होता है. हम नेक्स्ट एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ी से प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं और हमारा मेमोरी पावर भी ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव हो सकता है. और ये कॉलेज क्लू का जो डायरेक्टर है वो रॉबिन सर है. ही इज़ ऑल्सो ए डॉक्टर. ही इज़ अ वेरी गुड वन and he suggested he is very helpful for us. He is now and in future also. He will always be helping us.
Our College Glue director is our Rabin sir. He is also a doctor. He really motivates us a lot to go front. He helped us when we are in a bad situation in our studies. So I want to really thank him for motivating us.
I am very thankful to College Clue for giving the quality of education and providing the visa process and passport, and giving the guidance of how to study about and qualify the next sem exams. And I am thanking to College Clue Consultancy.
I myself wish to get everybody to join through the College Clue because it gives a better guidance than any other. Like it will give you the study guidance to crack the MCI, and I wish everybody to join through the College Clue.
I am very happy and satisfied with Team College Clue. Thank you.
I am very happy to choose this. I have taken admission through College Crew. I will thankful to the College Crew group. Thank you.
I am very happy and satisfied with the services of College Clue. Thanks, College Clue. Thank you, College Clue.
Thanks to College to group and all.
Thank you, College Clue. Thank you, Robin sir, and thank you entire queue of College Clue. Thank you.